lovely people! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Belle and I am so happy to have you here today. It is almost Valentine's Day, so I thought that I would do a look inspired by Valentine's Day. Today I am actually using the new Dream Street palette by Kathleen and Colourpop. And this is not a new palette. I mean, it's kind of new. It came out at the end of last year, but I just got it in the mail yesterday. The colors in here are beautiful. Look at that. Gorgeous. I used most of the pinks and the neutrals today, but I have still yet to touch the blues. We will work on that later. I am also using the new Colourpop Luxe lipstick on my lips right now, and super excited to use this. This is the first time I've put it on my lips. So without further ado, let's get this show on the road. Okay, so I have already put on some primer. I'm using the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer primer, and I'm going to go ahead and start with the foundation. Here I'm mixing the Maybelline FitMe Matte and Poreless Foundation with the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Plus Cream. Next I'm going to go in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Next I'm going to set my under eyes with the Bye Bye Pores Pressed Powder by IT Cosmetics. Just going to bake a little bit here. Then we're going to brush it away with the BareMinerals Matte Translucent Powder and powder the rest of the face with that as well. Next I'm going to go ahead and do my brows with the IT Cosmetics Brow Power Brow Pencil. And then I'm actually going to go ahead and set my eyebrows with some hairspray because I don't have a clear brow gel right now, and my brows really need that taming and grooming them in place. I find that this actually works really well for my brows, and I don't really mind the crunch. Okay, let's move on to the eyes. So for today's look, I am going to be using a new to me palette. This is the Kathleen and Colourpop collaboration palette called Dream Street. And look at these beautiful colors. I am so excited to try this palette out. The colors just are stunning, and some of them are super creamy. This is actually my first time using Colourpop's pressed powder shadows. I've only used their Super Shock shadows to this point, so hopefully they are good to me. Do you guys see this hot pink right here? How pretty is that? I have never ever used a color like that on my lids before, and I may use that today since it's a Valentine's look after all. So without further ado, let's just get started. Let's dig in. So first things first, I'm going to take this brown transition shade right here called Shooting Star and just place that in my crease. Then I'm going to take this darker, gorgeous, rosy, terracotta-ish color called Potion, and we're going to go ahead and put that in our crease and outer corners as well, just to darken things up a little bit more. Then I'm going to put the color that I have on my lids so far onto my lower lash line as well. Then I'm going to take just a tiny bit of Spark, this hot pink, and put it right in the outer corners to put a little bit more color right there. Next I'm going to go in with Twinkle, this beautiful shimmery champagne-y, peachy, pinky type color. And we're going to place that on the inner part of the lids. We're just going to pack that right on. I'm also going to place that along the bottom lash line as well towards the inside corner. I'm going to go in with Moony to highlight the brow bone. lastly, we're going to take Sweet Dreams and put it in the inner corner. I'm going to finish up the look with some eyeliner. I'm using the Maybelline Master Precise eyeliner in black, and we're going to create just a little bit of a wing. Also going to smudge in a little bit of black eyeliner on the bottom lash line. My eyelashes have been getting really sparse lately because I've been curling them so often, so today I'm just gonna go in with some falsies, so I will do that and be right back. Alright, the eyes are now done, so I'm gonna go right into finishing up the face. I'm gonna start with a little bit of contouring. Then I'm gonna throw on a little bit of bronzer from the Bronze and Brighten palette by Pure Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Mineral Glow. For blush, I'm going to go in with the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in Feisty. And we're just going to apply it to the cheekbones and up a little bit. And take that onto the tip of the nose just a little bit. Then for highlighter, I'm going back into that Pure palette and taking a little bit of the Afterglow shade. This is my new favorite highlighter. It is so beautiful. And we're going to put that on the cheekbones, on the bridge of the nose, Cupid's bow, just a tiny bit on the chin, and we're done. Last but not least, we have lips. I am going to be trying out the new Colourpop Luxe lipsticks. I'm just going to be using one of these. I have not tried these at all yet. I just got these in the mail yesterday, just like the palette. I will be filming a review for these, so stay tuned for that, probably coming up in the next week or so. So since there's a lot going on with the eyes today, I'm going to be using a nude shade. This is the shade Uno Mas. It is a very peachy nude. On first impression, that is a very nice formula. It was very buttery and smooth and went on really pigmented. I like it. I'm not super thrilled with this lip color, with this eye look. The color is a lot brighter than I expected it to be. But it is a pretty color, that is for sure. And you know what? I am too lazy to take it all off and put on something different because I don't even know if those other two shades would work out with this eye color either, so I'm just gonna leave it like this. And there you have it, guys, my completed Valentine's Day inspired look. I had a lot of fun doing this. As you may know, I am not a huge eyeshadow person, so I'm trying to branch out this year and create some new looks, and I'm pretty happy with this one, actually. I think the colors blended out really well, and that could just be because of the palette, or it could just be because I was being super careful because I was filming everything and I did not want to fuck that up. So it is currently Friday evening and I have no plans, so I am just gonna go sit on my couch, watch some TV with this look on, eat some food. Wow, I have not eaten at all today. I should probably go and do that. So I hope you guys are having a fabulous day. If it's Valentine's Day, please go and tell somebody that you love them, whether that is your mom, your husband, your dad, your sister, your cat, your dog. Tell somebody you love them today, especially if you don't say it enough to them. And do something good for yourself as well. Okay, love yourself as well. That is what Valentine's Day should also be about. And I will see you guys next time in my next video. I hope you enjoyed. Please give me a like if you like this video and subscribe to me if you haven't already. Go do it right now. There's a button right underneath this video to subscribe, so go ahead and do that, and hit me up on my social media. My Instagram and Twitter are both at BelEthereal. I hope to hear from you there, and until next time, darlings, I will see you later. Goodbye! I hate living in the city. Why do all the trucks have to come this way? Right by my house. so loud here. Hello, lovely people. Okay, I need to start writing scripts or something because this is not working out. I am doing this look. Can you see that dust floating around in front of the camera right now? Whoa. I had a lot of fun filming this. What am I saying? What am I trying to say? I need to like know what I'm saying before I start talking. Otherwise, this is not gonna work.